Alright guys, here's a free fix. Now this is on a GE refrigerator. I was at the customer's house. I was doing the dishwasher, and I'll be uploading that video as well. Now, the issue with this unit, the fan was installed by someone and it was never installed correctly. I quoted the customer, giving I was already working on another on another appliance. They really didn't want to pay again. So I said, well, let me see what I can do for you. The noise was super annoying. Always, you hear the noise. So it's pretty bad, pretty loud. So I said, let me do this repair for you. It's a free fix, no cost. I didn't even charge for the zip ties. So this is what you would do if you're getting that noise. Now the next step repair would be to remove everything from the unit, including the auger and the shelving, and those shelvings are a pain in the butt to remove. So everything would have to come out to get to the screws to realign the fan. The fan is tilted slightly up when it should be straight. So what happens, any pressure hits it, it makes a noise. As you can see, I'm using zip ties to mitigate the contact surface, and once it's properly done, it's good to go. Alright, so enjoy the short video. Thanks for watching.
A lot better. Oh yeah.
Yeah, like you said, I can come in.
And you can trim these if you want.
Yeah.
You know, I can do that for you too. But leave it, yeah, so you have some, yeah, adjusting. Yeah. I do, you know.
I've done that with my, like the wheel wells.
Well, the thing is, the only reason I suggest that,